Now, there will be times when you need something a little fancier. There's no doubt that sometimes you want the fancy sports car, you want the luxury car with some more features, and that's what client reports are going to do for you. Here's an example of one. We've put our logo in there in the upper left corner on the page. We've changed the formatting and the color on the title just so it jumps out a little bit more. We've added some boxes around the data just to make it, more pleasing. And really fun, we've added some conditional coloring, or what we could also call KPIs, key performance indicators, where we're calling out when, an aged invoice is over 90 days. And we now know which ones are between 60 and 90 and so on. Another great feature of the client reports is the ability to incorporate graphs into the output. This one has the graph and then it has the data right below it to substantiate those graphs. And something as subtle as this page numbering that says page 1 of 6. Page 1 of whatever your total is actually very hard. It's near impossible to do in the host report. But here in the client report, it is just a simple click. Now, beyond these formatting things, there's a lot more too. The client report can create Excel output. Your host report cannot. You can have variables beyond the variables in the view. And so your calculations in your Crow report or your client report can actually have variables. And this is, I think, my favorite, is that I can insert a summary at any level of the data. And that summary is then dynamic and changes as the data changes. So if I'm doing a report about customers and their orders, if I want at grand total time, or I can show a summary based upon sales region and not have to make that a separate report or hard code calculations to do that. There's section experts to format every part of the report. There's an awesome keep together feature that maybe you want to keep the subtotal, together with the data.